Alright, so we just discussed that accounting is about recording earnings, spending, ownerships, and obligations. So basically we have divided all the components that we have into four key classes. They are earnings, spendings, ownerships, and obligations. But now let us learn a professional accounting terminology for each of them. In accounting, we refer earnings as income, or also it is referred to as revenue, or also we can call it sales. So earnings are referred to as income or revenue or sales. Spendings are referred to as expenses. Lucky for us, there is only one word for spending, and that is expenses. For ownerships, we refer all the valuables that we own as assets. So all the valuables that you own, for example, property, motor vehicles, bank balances, and any other thing that is valuable here and you own that will be referred to as one word, and that is asset. And finally, the obligations that we have towards others, the money that we have to pay towards others, is called liabilities. So these are the four professional terminologies that we are going to use. Alright, so now that we know the key accounting terms, let us take some quick examples. So first of all, let us talk about motor vehicle. So motor vehicle is a valuable that is owned by an organization or a business. So it will be an asset. Office rent is an expense we have to spend our money to use the office. Plant and equipment is again a valuable that is owned by us, so that will be an asset. Fees received by a university will be an income. A credit card bill is an obligation, we have to pay the money, so that will be a liability. Utilities are again an expense, we have to consume our money to gain that benefit. Staff salaries and wages are again an expense, we have to pay back the money. And finally, the food sales made by a restaurant will be its income.